Alright, we're going to be working on a GF19, and it's a USI FSI Whittern is a company that makes them out of Des Moines, Iowa. This very old model here, and we call them GF19 because it's 19 selections. Anyhow, you can go down and look at the model if you have one and get the exact model number, but I'm going to talk about that. So we have number 2 row that's not working. So I've already looked at the wiring. You pull this out, and if you look back here at your wiring, that's, hold on a minute, I'm seeing something. Oh, yep, found the problem. Oh boy. Okay, so the problem with this one is right here. And go ahead and take this out. I'll show you. I can get it unplugged right here. Yeah, maybe not. Oh boy. She's not cooperating as usual. Let me get your knee under it. Don't let it drop. That's what causes this problem. Is you get broken wires due to these get pulled hard. That's exactly what's happening. God almighty. Yeah, it's going to be a bear. So, okay. You have to see where the clips are. We get it unplugged and all that. So they're not. Go ahead and take back up, Lynn. Stupid. I have to get a tool. I need a screwdriver. I found the problem. I said you can stop it. Gentlemen, what we're going to do here is we're going to have to bypass. I'm going to do this bypass. And the reason is this bar is broken. Unless you have a Molex connector kit or something, they'll never stick in there correctly. It will be a problem for you. So I take this wire and I'm going to wire it across to the one it would have normally went to. And that's what we're going to do. So that's next. So back up, Lynn. Shut it off. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and to like. Okay, so what we did, we took the wire that's going in here from here, and here it is, and I stripped it. And then the wire it went to on the other side of this connector, I put it, and I just cut that. It goes to this wire, and then we're going to create a new connection that is going to fix the problem theoretically. So find out in about 5 minutes when I go ahead and make sure you tape it good so it holds, because it's going to have, these always have some stress on them. Sadly, they do. So you make sure you tape it, and that way it won't pull apart when the customers. What happens is they pull these trays too far, or the harness gets hung up in a runner, and then when that happens, you end up with a broken wire. So when you put these back in, you just. And these are good old machines, nothing wrong with them. Still work. Can't really put card readers on them, I don't think. I'm not sure, but that's what everybody's going to. So now we're going to go ahead and turn it on. Now let's see what we got as far as. We'll do a motor. Let's see what we got here. Point dispense. We need a test Vend selection 8. So we push the button on this model. Come around here to number 8. Make selection. B1. There it is. 8, V2, 8, V3, and they're test vending fine. Sure they'll work.